Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to create a digital marketing campaign in less than 2 minutes. Today, we'll break down the key steps that will help you master digital marketing and achieve outstanding results. Step 1. Define your target audience. Before launching any campaign, it's crucial to know exactly who you're targeting. Understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and needs will allow you to tailor your content and reach the right people. Step 2. Set clear goals and objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with your campaign. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving sales, or generating leads, having specific goals will keep you focused and ensure measurable success. Step 3. Research your competition. Analyze what your competitors are doing in the digital space. This will give you insights into market trends, popular strategies, and gaps you can leverage to stand out from the crowd. Step 4. Craft compelling content. Create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's a blog post, video, or social media post, make sure it captures attention, delivers value, and aligns with your brand's voice and style. Step 5. Choose the right channels. Identify the platforms that are most relevant to your target audience. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or email marketing, selecting the right channels will maximize your reach and engagement. Step 6. Optimize for search engines. Enhance your online visibility by optimizing your website for search engines. Implementing keyword research, meta tags, and creating high-quality backlinks will drive organic traffic to your site. Step 7. Measure and analyze results. Track your campaign's performance using analytics tools. Monitor key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement. This data will guide future campaigns and help you make data-driven decisions. Congratulations! You've learned how to create a successful digital marketing campaign in just 2 minutes. Remember, digital marketing is an ongoing process, so keep learning and adapting to stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Happy marketing!